Constructivism is focused on learning being an active process in which the learner themselves construct and create their own meanings of what they see around them. Everything is subjective as we establish our own meaning to the reality we live. Nothing is ever fully learned because we relate new information to information or knowledge that we previously have had. This then allows us to construct an even larger framework of knowledge so that information is constantly expanding. Cognitive load theory looks at how much information the human brain and memory can withhold at a time without overloading it. There are three types of cognitive load theories according to Sweller, which include extraneous cognitive load, which focuses on how information is presented to learners through the control of the designers, intrinsic cognitive load, which focuses on the effort associated with the topic, and germane cognitive load focuses on schemas, which are mental structures used to organize the knowledge that we obtain. Finally, multimedia learning theory focuses on how the mind actually works in relation to multimedia learning. According to Richard Mayer, he proposes the human mind has separate channels for processing information, the channels have limited capacity, and learning is an active process in which selecting, organizing, and integrating information is constant. People tend to learn better through both words and images, so they are able to create mental structures, constructs, and representations of information that they obtain.